Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Ke selatan, ada pertigaan belok kiri arah desa Temon, Sriti dan lain-lain. Nanti jika menjumpai jembatan, setelah jembatan ada pertigaan belok kiri lurus sampai lokasi. Jika mungkin masih bingung, bisa tanya warga sekitar lokasi air terjun Coban Pelangi. Oke, terima kasih yang sudah hadir dan menonton video receh dari saya. Semoga ada manfaatnya. Next time untuk video-video selanjutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam lestari.